Annyeong ka Omapam, I'm Diane Herrera, also known as Omayan across all social media platforms.
Hi everybody, my name is Dawn Chang and I'm the owner of DC Delights.
What do you think is the reason why kayo po yung pinakamasarap na food sa lahat ng nandito today?
I think kami yung pinakamasarap na food dito sa Ultimate Taste Test kasi number one kami lang cookies, so talagang walang kalaban. Yeah, but we don't use artificial preservatives. And then we use organic eggs sa mga cookies namin. Lahat yan organic eggs. And also, we use talaga butter, no shortening or margarine, walang ganyan. And of course, made with love. Yan ang pinaka-importante sa lahat. So,
That's right. Ilang days pong nagtatagal yung cookies?
wala kaming artificial preservatives, pero nagtatagal siya ng 7 to 10 days. So yung chewiness niya, kasi ako, nasa bedside table ko yung isang box ng cookies, hanggang ika-8 day niya, chewy pa din siya eh. So, yan. So, depende. You can also put it in the